for Sunny Studio Stamps, and today we are going to create a card that's sealed with a kiss. Here I have a standard size card base and a coordinated panel I die cut with the second largest die from the new Stitched Semicircle dies set. I'm going to color the front of my card using distress inks, so you can see here I'm sponging some Mermaid Lagoon, Salty Ocean and Peacock Feather inks with my ink blending tool. This is one of my favorite blue inks combo for lots of scenes actually, but today we'll turn this background into a little swimming pool for all our seals to play in. I'm going back and forth with all the colors here to achieve a smooth ombre effect onto my background, and I am always dabbing the excess ink onto a piece of paper. As I'm happy with my ink blending, I'm going to check how it looks with my die cut panel, and I'm going to make it fancy. So one of the things that I love doing with my inked backgrounds is adding some sparkle, and today I'm going to use Perfect Pearls. I am going to pick some sparkle with an old fluffy brush, and I'm gently brushing it onto my blue inks. Then I'm going to pick some more product, bring it to my background, and so on. As you can see, I'm always taking some powder from the lid where there is a super thin layer to avoid big sparkle splotchy areas onto my background. This super fine powder will kinda glue itself onto all the inks as long as they are not already dry, and it will give it a beautiful, almost iridescent look. Catching it up on camera, it's not that easy, but in real life it's amazing, and it's such a super cool effect that's also so easy to achieve. Now onto my images. I stamped lots of the cuties from the new Sealiously Sweet set, and I'm going to color them all with my Copics, so here's a little time lapse for you to enjoy. I used some of my favorite pastel rainbow colors for these critters and their summer accessories, and you can find them all listed down below in the video description with all the other linked supplies, or at my blog and at the Sunny Studio one. I added lots of details to all my images with a white gel pen, and then I cut them out behind the camera. I also stamped this banner from the Banner Basic set, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment on it. The sentiment is straight, of course, but I want it to follow my banner shape, so I'm using a piece of acetate to keep it in shape. You can see here that if I stretch it gently and press it onto the acetate, it keeps its new shape. So I'm going to make it fit my banner perfectly, then I'm going to pick it up with my stamping platform, then remove the acetate, ink it and stamp it. I love using this little trick, it's super cool and it gives all your sentiment pretty much a whole new life. If you do not have some acetate on hand, you can also use some clear packaging for this. Here I'm gluing down my die cut panel onto the front of my card with some runner tape, and then it's time to play with my cute seals. I am going to place my sentiment banner at the bottom, and it fits so perfectly this window. I was so impressed, like yay, that's awesome! And then I'm going to move around all the critters way too many times. Finding the perfect placement takes me so much time every time, more than I like to admit actually, but it's what I enjoy the most, so I'm always happy to create new sweet scenes. I glued all my images down with a combo of liquid glue and foam adhesive, and then I also added these little drop splashes I die cut out of some white cardstock with the mini die that's new for this release, and that's free when you purchase at sunnystudiostamps.com. Now, all these summer images call for more sparkle, so I'm going over them with my Wink of Stella clear brush. I am so happy about how this card turned out, and I hope you like it too. I can't wait to see all your creation with the Sunny Studio Stamps new goodies. And as always, be sure to leave me some love and all your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll see you very, very soon with another cute project. Have a lovely day. Bye!